how to set Opera GX background wallpaper on Android phone. So if you want to set the Opera GX background wallpaper on Android phone, then what you need to do is first you just need to open up your Opera browser or the application. So open up the Opera, tap on continue, and once you tap on continue, here you will have the theme option, right? You can simply choose any theme that you are comfortable with. So I'll be choosing this theme, and you can also choose light, auto, or dark. So you can choose any one of these, and then you can also choose the navigation. So you can choose the fast action navigation or the standard navigation, and tap on continue, which is on the bottom of your screen. And now what you need to do is go for the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and from here you can choose the settings option. Once you tap on the settings, you will have this kind of interface where you will have wallpaper option, right? So simply tap on the wallpaper, and under that here you will have custom wallpaper. So tap on add your wallpaper, and then you can choose from your photos or albums, and you can choose any photo that you are comfortable with. Once you've choose the photo, now you can simply tap on set as wallpaper, and that's it. That's how you can set the Opera GX background wallpaper on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.